Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix a payment dispute with Bank of America. Full guide step by step clearly. To resolve a payment dispute with Bank of America, begin by gathering all relevant information. Collect receipts, transaction records, and any communication related to the dispute. Next, log into your Bank of America online banking account. Locate the Help and Support section on the website. Choose the option for disputes or report a problem. Review the instructions provided on how to initiate a dispute. If preferred, you can also contact customer service by calling the number on the back of your debit or credit card. When you call, be prepared to explain your dispute clearly and concisely. Provide the representative with all necessary details, including transaction dates and amounts. Document the conversation by taking notes of what is discussed. After submitting your dispute, check your account for updates or responses. Bank of America typically sends a confirmation via email or secure message. Be patient, as disputes can take several days or weeks to resolve. If you require further assistance, don't hesitate to follow up with customer service. Once a resolution is reached, you will be notified of the outcome. If you're unsatisfied with the resolution, inquire about additional steps you can take. Consider reaching out to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau if needed. Keep records of all communications throughout the process. This will help ensure you have everything documented in case follow-up actions are needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.